Hello, I'm Ms. A. Soba. Welcome back. This is a short video about wa and ga. Wa and ga are kind of a mystery for students studying Japanese. And it's a really hard thing also for teachers. I hope this video will help you understand them deeply. Here we go. Remember my video about ne? I explain what ne is by using just one gesture, patting one's shoulder, mostly gently. This is the core image of ne. If I add the same approach for wa and ga, this will be like that. Ga is like focusing just one point. Shh, shh, or shh. This is ga. Wa means that there are many options and you pick one thing from the bag of options like Santa Claus does. Now we are talking about you. あなたは. How about me? 私は. This is wa. Actually, the greeting konnichiwa is translated as hello, but it literally means as for today. Konnichi, today, wa. As for today, it's beautiful, right? こんにちは、いいお天気ですね。こんにちは、寒いですね。It's cold, right? And then, pick another topic. 最近はコロナ減りましたね。最近 recent days, COVID-19 is decreasing. 本当にね、コロナは嫌ですね。As for COVID-19, I hate it, right? Japanese conversations continues like that. Topic, feeling, kind of. In my video, wa and ga, part 1, I explained that the Japanese subject marker ga includes the following image. B is limited. A. 私がヒーローです. If I say that, this sentence includes the meaning of the hero is only me. Kind of. But actually, there are many other heroes in the world. So, 私がヒーローです includes the feeling that watch me, focus on me, kind of. And the next one, 君が好きです. In this case, が works as an object marker. The meaning is, you are the only one I like, kind of. But actually, you can say, 君が好きです. 夏子も好きです. 秋子も好きです. 冬子も好きです. You can say that, but just in this sentence, 君が好きです. 君が focusing on 君 this gesture. 君が好きです. So, we can't say them. They are all wrong. それがどこですか? それがいつですか? We never say them. We should use what here. Because いつ、どこ、誰. These words have many options. For example, when have the spring, 8 o'clock, this morning, last summer. Many options. So we use what here. それはいつですか? それはどこですか? それは誰ですか? それはなぜですか? That way. However, we can say them. all of them are good. In those cases, you should use が。どれが好きですか？いつがいいですか？どこが嫌いですか？何が好きですか？ Kind of. Because what you like or when it's good have just one thing when we're asking the question. And of course, we can't use は here. どれは好きですか or いつはいいですか We never ever say that. When is not in our option bag. I hope you understand this explanation. We cannot grab when, so we are asking when. So we never say いつはいいですかどれは好きですか Never say them. Yes or no question have two options. Yes or no. So we don't usually use が here.
猫は好きですか？
はい、猫は好きです。In that case, if you say 猫が好きです it's really bad. Now they are talking about cats, not you. You know, 猫が好きです includes the meaning of what I like is cats, kind of. So it's about you, not cats. Okay? However, if you change the topic, it's okay. I mean,
猫は好きですか？
はい、私は猫が好きです。It's okay. You change the topic and then talk about yourself. Actually, omitting は and が is natural in daily conversations. I mean,
猫好きですか？はい、猫好きです。私猫大好きです。
it's more natural. So, if you are confused, I recommend omitting them. I mean, 私は猫は好きです。In that case, we think you are about to say other topics because using は means that you have other options. 私は猫は好きです。Then we think that what is left in your bag? Kind of. For example, 私は猫は好きです。でも、犬は嫌いです。Or, 私は猫は好きです。でも、太った猫は嫌いです。Kind of. That's all for today. わ and が have many other confusing usages, but I believe that this action が or わ can be the key to understand the meanings and usages. I hope this video will help you. And I told you that I will make a video about ください and くださる this year, but I couldn't. So sorry about that. 少々お待ちくださいませ。どうもありがとうございました。お疲れ様でした。See you!